Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and today I stand before you to narrate a story based on the theme A Journey from Darkness to Dawn. The story is from the Language and Literature of Class 10, chapter Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. In a land where sun shone bright, yet millions lived in darkness, there was a person who even didn't know he was born to change the world. He was the great Nelson Mandela. South Africa at that time was divided by a cruel system where the color of your skin decides the size of your dreams. The black people could not sit with the whites, they could not move with the whites, they could not eat with the whites, they could not raise their voice in their own country. Into this darkness stepped a young Mandela. He saw his people suffer yet refused to go down. He decided to fight against the system. So he became a lawyer. But not the lawyer who sat in the offices, but the kind of lawyer who stood on the streets listening to the cries of the people the world ignored. Nelson Mandela decided to fight against the system, but not with weapons. He decided to fight against the system with his ideas, with his words and unshakable will. But as it is said, the darker the night becomes, the harsher the ruler grows. Nelson Mandela was captured, taken to court, the world was. But he stood tall and calm and declared, I have cherished the ideas of a democratic and social nation. It is an ideal for which I, Nelson Mandela, prepared to die. Those words shook the earth, but the darkness tightened its grip. Nelson Mandela was sentenced to life in prison, and so began the longest night of his life of 27 years. Year after year, Mandela spent his life in a tiny cell, which was made his life. But Nelson Mandela did not give hope. Prisoners tried to break him, loneliness tried to crush him. But he was firm with his idea. Then when you walk for freedom, every step of yours was the pain. Slowly the world outside began to rise. Children protested, mothers marched, and leaders demanded, Free Mandela, Free Mandela. And after 27 years, the gates of the prison opened and Mandela stepped out. But not with rage, not with revenge, but with a smile on his face. And after coming out of the prison, Mandela did a very extraordinary thing. He forgave the very people who put him behind bars. He believed resentment is like drinking poison, and hoping of that will kill your enemy. He did not believe in revenge. And in 1994, the movement came, which felt like a sunrise after a long night when Nelson Mandela was chosen as the first black president of South Africa. My dear friends, Nelson Mandela's journey is from a darkness of a prison to a dawn of a free nation. It is not a merry story. It is a reminder that no dream is too distant, no injustice is too heavy when courage walks beside you. Thank you.